for our Christmas party, okay, this will be the page. So I'm going to make a comment here right now. Okay, hold on. Let me just make a comment here. Here, let's see this one. Comment here for those who will join. Okay, comment here for those who will join. So I want you to post comment here so you can get your groupings right now. Okay. Comment here for those who will join. Okay. I'm now posting it right now. Okay, I have Christina now have a request. So then it's only if you're joining for our Christmas party on Sunday, that will be okay. That will be Sunday 6 p.m. Okay. I have a comment here now. Please comment here. Once you make a comment, something like that. Okay, so please make a comment now. It's auto accept anyway. Comment here for those who will join. Okay, please make a comment here in this post. You should see this post right away. Yes, it's okay for the second day because you will have your grouping. Some members in your grouping are already all like tenured, okay? So you will have your groupings with you. Okay, J, okay, batch 11. Okay. So your group is batch 11, okay? So once you make a comment to this post, I will let you know what group you will be part of. So somebody, a team leader from that group will help you, okay? Will assist you. So make a comment, okay, Judah, okay? So Judah will join group 1, okay? So something like, so as you keep commenting, I will let you know what is your group. Satoshi Sensei, okay. Okay, I have no Judah. Di ko po makita. Okay, you can go to our link here. Okay, just go here. Okay, for those who came just right now, just go to my page. Then I made a comment, a post here now. So if you're attending on our Christmas party, okay, then you will have a group presentation with your classmate. Then I will let you know what groupings you will join. Okay, so for example, Judah will be group 1, okay, something like that one. Judah will become group 1. Somebody is making a comment right now. Will join. So Lawrence, okay. Okay, so you go with still this one. You will still group 1, okay. Group 1 and group 1. Okay. So I'll make a grouping of first 5 people. So that will be the group 1. Okay. Okay. Marilu. Okay. Group 1. So this all group 1. What I want you to do, you will create a group chat together. Okay. Create a group chat. Now we have for Judah, Lawrence, Alona, and Marilu. Then add me in your group chat. Okay. You will have your live performance with you. Well, live performance. Okay. Jolly. Let me check this one first. Okay. So Sian. Okay. Last member. So you will have your group chat with you. Add each together. Judah, Lawrence, Alona, Marilu, and so on. So we come here until to Sian. Okay. You'll be the last member of the group 1. Make a group chat together, the 5 of you. Then add me in the group chat. Okay. Then for the rest, it's also the same thing that we'll do. So make sure that you are available for this one. You will have your practice with you. You will have your practice with you. So your next practice with me will be on Wednesday. Then your Friday, will be your final practice. Okay. But let me make sure that your script is already available. Like for me, I have my batch 11. Okay. So they have this type of script. So they will have some costumes. It's up to you guys. So you can, it will have like a competitive in here. But of course, I will let you know how to do your script first. So how to do that, okay? In order for you to understand our lesson is you have to go first with my page, okay? Go to my channel first. Then you have to watch the first lesson that we had. Okay, go here with this dashboard. Up with my, should be channel, okay. Okay, go here with this lesson. We have the Japanese verb vowel conjugation. I'm going to also send to here. Okay. I will also ask Miss Janil to send it. Miss Janil. Janil, okay, Colin. Okay, so Miss Janil will send that to you soon. So in order for you to understand the verb conjugation of the verbs. So let's have practice with this one. Okay, I need some volunteers to have a conversation practice with this Kaiwa. I'll be the census. So I need a 5% who wants to volunteer that has a good mic. Okay, please volunteer. Reply in Zoom chat. Who wants to volunteer? Brianna. Okay, Brianna. Okay, your mic is on. Natsuki. Okay, Brianna is A. Natsuki is B. Natsuki is B. Okay, C. Let's have Judah. Judah. D. Let's have Kim. Kim, you will be D. Kim. Last one. Anyone who wants to volunteer? Okay, Legazpi. Okay, is Legazpi. Okay, go ahead. Let's start. Okay, I have first 5 first. Okay, let's start. Let me check. If you are here, A-san, if you're here, just say hi imas. Okay, hi imas. Oh,
Hi,
I have,
imasu.
okay. A-san, imasu ka?
Hi, imasu.
B-san, imasu ka?
Hi, imasu.
C-san, imasu ka?
はい、います。
D-san, imasu ka? Wala si D-san. E-san? Wala na rin akong E-san. Okay. Who wants to volunteer for D-san?
Go with A-san, imasu, sensei.
Anong letter?
A po, sensei.
Hindi, E. E-san. Eh,
Ay, E din.
E-san. Okay? So wala kang D tsaka E-san na wala. Si D tsaka si E. Okay? Sige, who wants to volunteer? Marilu. Marilu, you will be D-san. Marilu. Okay? Alona, you will be E-san. Okay, the mic should be on now. Let's do it again if are all complete. A-san, imasu ka?
Hi, imasu.
B-san?
Hi, ma. B is, ano?
B, boy.
Bisa.
Okay.
Hi, imasu.
Okay, C-san? C-san?
Hi, imasu.
D-san?
Hi, Imas.
E-san?
Hi, imasu.
Okay, good. So we have the 5. Okay, good. Let's start. So when we say gakse, it means all of you. Okay? Hajimemashou.
Yoroshiku onegai
Mas.
Kino, dare benkyou shita no?
Watashi ga benkyou shimashita.
Sensei, watashi mo benkyou shimashita. Jude-san wa?
Sensei, watashi mo benkyou shimashita. Sisa-san wa?
C-san? Uy, C-san? Ala, nawala na si C-san. Okay. Okay, Amrubi? Uy, benkyou shinakatta. Naze no? Kino, isugashikatta desu kara. B-san? Shirida, okay. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay. Okay, now you can turn on your mic, okay, from the beginning. Just turn on your mic when it's your turn. Okay, one more from the beginning. Let's start. Just only turn on your mic if it's your turn to speak. Okay, I'll put everyone first on mute. Then turn on your mic once it's your turn to avoid verbal collision. Ja, hajimemashou.
Yoroshiku onegai
ます。
ます。
Kino, dare, benkyou shita no?
Watashi ga benkyou shimashita.
Sensei, watashi mo benkyou shimashita. Sisa-san wa?
うん、勉強しなかった。
Naze no?
昨日、忙しかったですから。
そうですか。明日できるの？
できる。明日忙しくないですから。
明日何時勉強するの？
10時勉強する。
明日、どこ勉強するの?
Tokoshokan de benkyou dekimasu ka?
Dekinai. Ashita kaigi ga aru kara.
一緒におうち勉強しよう。勉強しよう。
いいだよ。みんなはい
いだね。
一年
明日何時来るの？誰来るの？
私たち
私たち。
何持ってくるの？
何もいいだよ。
Okay, はい、よくできました。Okay. So on your Christmas party, okay, this is what you're gonna do. Okay. You will create a script according to your groupings. Okay. So you can choose whatever is your topic. So one in your group, there will be something you're there. So they will assist you. They will assist you how to guide with the topic. So on Wednesday, we will have our practice. Okay, we will have our practice with your script. I'm gonna check it. But before you do your planning together, I want you to watch the video for you to understand the verb conjugation. So today I will not teach anymore the verb conjugation. What I want you to learn now is about the dialogue. Okay, so you can create a dialogue, but you have to make sure that you will study the video. I'm gonna send another video later, okay, in order for you to understand the verb conjugation. But this time, I will teach you how to create your script. Okay, let's go here now. Okay. So let's have some examples here now. We talk about the polite and the plain. So let me create now a scenario. Okay. So for example, Asan, okay. So we want to say, 今日何をしますか? Okay. 今日何をしますか? Okay. Like saying here, like today, what are you going to do? 今日何をしますか? What are you going to do? Then the B-san, he will say for that this one, 今日, then make it another one, 日本語を勉強します. Okay. But for the 勉強します, it has actually a plain form. They don't use a question mark. They use instead only a dot here. Okay. So that serves already as a question mark. Okay. For those who want to join with our regular classes, you can just message me and I will let you know. 今日何をしますか? Then you will say, 今日日本語を勉強します. But since they're a friend, okay, you will change します, the plain form of します, we have our する. And you don't have to put any particle of を. Just say, 今日何するか? But to make it cut for our plain form, we will have our no, and you will have our question mark. 今日何するの? Today, what are you going to do? Because they are friends, they don't have to use a politeness. So we have here, 今日日本語を勉強します. So make it our plain form, 勉強します. It will become しますto する. So we have 今日日本語を勉強する. 勉強する. 今日日本語を勉強する. Now, let's have a そうですか? Okay. そうですか, it means I see. Okay, そうですか? Then you can say, okay, そうですか, then you can have another one here. そうですか, I see. Then make sure, どこで勉強しますか? どこで勉強しますか? Where are you going to study? But make it a plain instead of します, it will become するの. Because from the word どこ, it means where. Where are you going to study? So you will have a question here. For example, you have library. 図書館で勉強します。Okay. But this one, how you make plain form this sentence? Can you type in Zoom chat now? How to make this one as our plain form? Go ahead. How to type it? How to make it in a plain form? Okay, so are going to drop only de and change to our 勉強します to する。図書館勉強する。はい、横できました。Okay? 図書館勉強する。Then we can say 誰、okay? どなたと勉強しますか？どなたと勉強しますか？ Who are you going to study with? Okay? どなたと勉強しますか? How to make this one as plain form? Okay? Make it in a plain form. Send in Zoom chat. So it will become now Donata. It will change now to Dare. Okay. Change now to Dare. Then this one, we have our Benkyo. Suru. No. In this type, in this sentence, we cannot drop the to because who's with. Because if it say dare benkyo suru, it can be who will study. Okay, so that's the reason in this type or in this sentence, we have to put the to as with. You can say dare benkyo suru because it can have the meaning who will study. But this time it should have dare to benkyo suru no, who will go with you. Okay. Who will study with you? So we have our B said for the person. Okay. Person, then having the to. Okay, so let's go with another person here. I said si san to. Si san to benkyou suru. Okay, si san to benkyou suru. But usually for the friends, they don't put san anymore. Just make it only the casual form. Okay, they can call each other for closeness, either kun or chan. Okay, kun and chan. This is not only applicable for the age, but also for the close. So if they're close to each other, okay, they can call each other kun and chan already. Si kun to benkyou suru. Because this one has become our plain form here already. Then, now, he says here, eto, si san, well, we have our word, shitaimasu ka? Shitaimasu ka? It means shitaimasu, it means, do you know? Okay, do you know si san? Do you know si san? Then, but this one, we will make it our polite form or plain form. Shitaimasu, we are going to drop mas by adding ru. Si-san wo shitteru no? Do you know si-san? Si-san wo shitteru no? So how are you going to answer if you know? Hai. Okay, or hai shiteimasu. Hai shiteimasu. But let's make it now in a plain form. You're gonna use here un. Shite, then drop mas, it will become shitteru. Un shitteru. If you don't know, iie shite, iie shirimasen. Iie shirimasen. If you don't know. How to make this one as plain form? Send your answer in Zoom chat. Very good. So it become iie. Change now our masen because it's a group one. It's a consonant verb. Shiranai. It become, but instead of iie, we are going to use now un. Un shiranai. Un shiranai. W. Okay. Because un is yes, while un is no. So it's up to you if how you will say it. So let's go. In this context, he said, un shiranai. Un shiranai. Okay. Then he want to say here, Sisan. This one he used Sisan because he doesn't know the person. Okay. He doesn't have any idea, so he will respect the person of Sisan ni aemasu ka? Okay, aemasu ka? Can I meet Sisan? It become a potential here. Sisan ni aemasu ka? Can I meet Sisan? Okay. Okay, then you can say here now because they are friends, so it's okay. So you can say un. Then instead of aemasu. Okay, how to make a plain form aemasu? How to make plain form the aemasu? It become a potential. Very good. Aeru. Very good, King. Aeru. Okay, because we have our plain form of potential. Un aeru. Un aeru. Then you can put yo because you are giving an answer from the question. Un aeru yo. Okay. Un aeru yo. Then he can use your doshite desu ka? Okay. Doshite desu ka? Why? Okay. Why? Okay. But become our plain form. How to make plain form the doshite desu ka? We will have our naze no. Why? Okay. So we have our plain form of doshite. We have our naze no. Naze no. Okay. Naze no. So you will have your reason. Okay. So you will have your reason adding our desu kara. Okay. So you will have your reason here. So for example, you want to say here, tomodachi ni naritai desu kara. Tomodachi ni naritai desu kara. Okay. So you want to say here, tomodachi is friend. Then naritai here, it means want to become. So it means it becomes tomodachi ni naritai desu kara. I want to learn. I want to be his friend. Okay. Tomodachi ni naritai desu kara. I want to become friend. Okay. Tomodachi ni naritai desu kara. But for our plain form, you are going to drop only des and by adding here dakara. Because the plain form of des is da. So you can say tomodachi ni naritai dakara. Okay, tomodachi ni naritai dakara. Then we have here our isan, eto, so nanda, okay, so nandes, okay, so nandes. So this one, it become make it our plain form of saying, is that so? Okay. This one, they don't have much difference when we say so desu ka and so nandesu ka. They don't have any much difference. But once we use our sonan des, it means like there's about your somebody was able to answer the explanation that was given to you. So if the explanation was answered to you, okay, you are using now our sonan desu ka, okay? Sonan desu ka, but to make it our plain, we have our sonan daka. Sonan daka, and change it to ka to become no. Sonan dano, sonan dano, because the explanation was answered with tomodachi ni naritai dakara. Okay. Okay. Then you can say here now of siya. Eto, 一緒に okay. 一緒にバスに乗りましょう。Okay. 乗りましょう. So we come, it means to ride. How are we going to make this one our plain form? Send your answer in Zoom chat. So we will drop our norimasho. It will become noro. Okay, become our volition. Noro. Okay, and we can drop already our ni. Okay, basu ishuni basu noro. Then adding our, no need for that because it's a volition. You're not asking a question. Together, let's take a bus. Let's ride a bus. Ishuni basu noro. Let's ride a bus together. Okay. Then Isan will consider that I desu yo. Okay. But to make it plain form now, okay. Saying here idayo. Idayo, that's a good one. Then you can say that ryokin wa. So we have a ryokin, it means fare. Ryokin wa koko kara. Okay. Ryokin wa koko kara toshokan made ikura desu ka? Okay. So like saying here, from here up to the library, okay, how much it is. How much it is. But since they are a friend, you can use our ikura no. Okay, ikura no. Idayo, ryokin wa koko kara toshokan made ikura no. You can use this one. How much it is. How much is the fare? Okay. Okay, with our ryokin. Then you can say for our price. So for example, 100 yaku dayo. Okay. Yaku dayo. Yaku peso dayo. You can use that one. Eto, then let's say, shinpai shinai de kudasai. Shinpai shinai de kudasai. Shinpai shinai de kudasai. Shinpai shinai de kudasai. It means please don't worry. Don't worry, okay? I'll give you money, okay? So how to say that? B-san will be the giver. So we have our B wa, then we have C-san ni. Then we have our object. Object wo agemasu. Agemasu. Okay? So we have here, so the one who will give is B-san, okay? So he will change the B to watashi wa. So in this case, it can be dropped already. So you can say C-san ni, then what he will give, we have our okane. Okane is money. Okane wo agemasu. Okay, saying here that, oh, don't worry, I will give you money. Okay, then Isan will become, say, arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so we have our scene 2 now. Okay. Let's go with another scene now. So he will meet now C-san. Okay. C-san now. Okay. So we have here now B. You see here that A-kun or A-chan, it depends. A-kun, A-chan, kochira wa C desu. Okay, C-san. We are going to use C-san because it's their first time to meet. Kochira wa C-san desu. Then C-san will introduce himself, okay? Saying here our hajimemashite. Okay. Then watashi wa, then the name desu, okay? Then we have here our B-san will also introduce himself also. Hajimemashite, okay? Then same, only the name desu, it's okay, even there's no watashi. Okay? Name desu, okay? Watashi wa Satoshi desu. And we have our C-san saying here our yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Then B-san, okay, we'll say here our, we have our here our kochira also. So we have our kochira koso dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Kochira koso dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. So like here, it's my pleasure to meet you. So let's have additional one. Let's make it a little bit longer. So we have here C-san, eto kana. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Kochira koso dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Let's extend first the conversation. Then it says here, eto, okay. 一緒に友達になりませんか? Okay. 一緒に友達になりませんか? Okay, together, would you mind if we become friend? Okay, it says here. Then C-san can say that one, いいですよ. Okay, it's okay. But if you want to reject of somebody else, you can say, ちょっと, okay. In Japanese, the culture is they don't reject actually right away. They don't say yes or no. But instead, by the expression of ちょっと, it means of saying they're not comfortable to be that. Okay. Okay. Then end it instead, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Okay. It's still okay to say that one. So let's say in a good tone, いいですよ. So like saying here, in your hand, you will take care of me with your hand, okay? So in your hand, you will take care of me. Or I'm looking forward that you will respect me or we will have a good relationship, okay? いいですよ. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. こちらこそどうぞよろしくお願いします. Okay, it's my pleasure to meet you. Then, saying here what else we can have for the C-san. どこから来ましたか? Doko kara kimashita ka? It's actually this one a plain, this one is a polite form. But to make it now more polite, instead of our doko, we can use our dochira kara kimashita ka? Dochira kara kimashita ka? But make it in a plain, we have our doko kara kuru no. Doko kara kuru no. You're saying here, where did you come from? But this one, doko kara kuru, we will change kuru to kita. Because our past tense, it will become plain form of kimashita is kita no. Okay, so you can ask this one. Dochira kara kimashita ka or doko kara kita no? This one it's better because it's your first time to meet. So you use doko kara kimashita ka. Doko kara kimashita ka, and this is a question of polite, so make it dot. Okay, you can ask question in Zoom chat, sir. Kailan po mag-start? Okay. Message me, Davina. Okay. Ne? What's the difference between naze and nande? Naze and nande is also the same meaning. Okay, they have the same meaning, naze and nande. But nande has another meaning of how. Okay, how. They are both, naze and nande, they are both in plain form. Dochira kara kimashita ka? Then it says here now, bisan here, the place. So for example, you want to say, I came from Philippines. Philippine kara kimashita. Then if you want to say, have you been to Philippines? Have you been to Philippines? Philippine e ita koto ga arimasu ka? Okay, so this one you want to say, for example, you want to say, have you been to America? America e ita koto ga arimasu ka? So how are you going to answer with that one? The season can say, Hai, ita koto ga arimasu. Hai, ita koto ga arimasu for positive. But if it's not yet, iie mada desu. Iie mada desu. So let's say we have here, okay, one. Let me just work on with the script. Doko kara kimashita ka? The one who asked question here should be this one. Okay, Sisan. Okay, Philippine e ita koto ga arimasu ka? Okay, Philippine kara kimashita ka? Okay, Philippine kara kimashita. Let's go here. Philippine e ita koto ga arimasu ka? Then here, hai, ita koto ga arimasu, or let's say here, iie mada desu. So we can say from the statement of B, Bisan is a Filipino. Okay? So there should be, change should be, because they know already B and know already. So should be A, okay, A-san, because based on our story, he doesn't know C. So it should be A, it's a conversation of A. No? Iie mada desu. Then we have our A-san says here, eto, issho ni, okay? We're using issho ni, Philippine e, okay? Ikimasen ka? Become our question here. Together, why don't we go to Japan? Why don't we go together in the Philippines? Okay. Then he said here, I desu ne. Okay, that's a nice idea. I desu ne. Itsu desu ka? I desu ne. Itsu desu ka? Because this one, itsu, it means when. That's a nice idea. When. So it's up to A. So for example, you want to say, rainen wa, or let's say, ito, let's mean say, itsu ga ii desu ka? Okay, Like saying here, when are you good, or when you are okay to go? When are you okay? So saying here, si eto, Rainan wa ii desu ka? Okay. Is it okay for next year? Okay. Rainan is, we say Rainan is next year. And the conversation here, okay. He says here, ii desu yo. Okay. Ii desu yo, because you are giving an answer here. Or if you're really desperate to have with Sisan, okay, you can say itsu demo ii desu yo. Itsu demo ii desu yo. Okay, by saying here that, oh, anytime is okay. Okay. Wakarimasu ka? Any question on that? Yes, I already corrected it, Leia. Thank you. Thank you for notice that. I also noticed it. Any question? Yoko wakarimasu ka? Okay. Now I need volunteer. Who wants to be a volunteer? Who wants to be a third party? Kahit dito man lang, may love life. Okay. Sana all, no? Ja, A-san, B-san, and C-san. Who wants to volunteer? Okay. Brianna, same people. Do I have any new people? Some people that I haven't called yet. Mag-volunteer. Those who will volunteer will have our love life before the end year. So who wants to be the A-san and the C-san? Okay. Nestor, okay. I will turn on your mic, Nestor. Fardin, okay. Nestor will be A. Then Fardin will be B. B, and let's have Legaspi as C. Okay, go ahead now. Your mic is on. Let's start with your conversation. Okay, let me check first. A-san, imasu ka? A-san?
It's me, Sensei.
Okay, yes, Nestor. Okay. B-san, let's check your mic first. B-san.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Ma.
Hi, Sensei.
Okay, good. C-san.
Hi, Sensei.
Hi, okay. Let's have
Wait,
C-san. How about Legaspi? Legaspi Leia. Okay, wala si Legaspi. Okay, I'll go back with you, Legaspi. Okay, no voice from Legaspi. Okay, I'll go back with you. Okay, let me get another one. Okay, another one, Chotomate. Let's have Marilyn. Okay, Marilyn. Okay, your mic is on now, Marilyn.
Hi.
Okay, good. So you'll be C-san. Okay. Okay, go ahead now. So I want you to turn on your mic only once it's your turn to speak. Okay, go ahead now. Nestor, turn on your mic.
Hi, Sensei.
Okay, dozo. Kyo, nani? Si Fardin. Fardin.
Sensei?
His name is Fardin. Fardin. Fardin.
Fardin.
Kyo. Okay, hi.
Fardin san kyo nani o shimasta ka?
Nani o suru no? It's become, because you're here, you are
nani o
just follow the script.
Hindi ko makita yung script, Sensei.
Okay, hindi mo makita. Okay, hold on.
Yes,
How about
sensei.
now? Is it better now? Is it better now?
Wala, sensei. Hindi ko makita.
Why? Mia Maska. How about the others? Can you see? Okay, give me a moment.
Have the ruler. Let's put this down right next to it.
Pwede po i-zoom in nyo. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me see what I can do here.
Ba't di ko makita?
Okay. Nasa screen na dapat siya. Maybe try to work on your device, no? Very clear. Okay. So let me go with you first, Nestor. Okay, I'll get back to you. Let me know once you see your screen. I'll get a new one. Let's have Rondell. Who wants to volunteer anyway? Who wants to volunteer in replace of Nestor?
Okay. Put it in the bag. All right.
Okay, just reply in Zoom chat. Okay, let's have C. Okay, let's have C. C, you will be Asan. Okay, just turn on your mic if it's your turn to speak. Okay, Ja, okay, go ahead now, Asan. C, okay, you can turn on your mic, C. Okay, you see. Okay. It looks C is not, okay, let's have J. Okay, J and Padilla, go ahead. Let's have J and Fardin. Okay, go ahead.
Fardin-san, 今日何するの？
今日日本語勉強する？
そうですか。どこで勉強するの？
図書館勉強する？
誰と勉強するの？
C ちゃんと勉強する。C さんを知っているの？
知らない。C さんに会えますか？
会えるよ。なぜの？
友達になりたいだから。
そうなんだの。一緒にバス乗ろう。
いいだよ。料金はここから都市間までいくらの？
プライスだよ。
No price. You mention a price. You give a number. For example, Yaku, Niyaku.
What am I buying?
Any price, any number will do. For example, 50, Goju.
Okay. 600だよ。心配しないでください。C にお金をあげます。
ありがとうございます。
Okay. Now let's have C. This we have A and C now. J and we have Marilyn. Okay, go ahead.
Marilyn ちゃん、こちらは
Oops, sorry, a minute. This is B, no? Tama ba ako? Automatic. Let me just work on the script.
Maririn. Maririn sang desu.
Okay, Kochirawa, it should be this one, automatic. Just correct this one. A, this one is B. Okay.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead now from the beginning. B-san. So we have Fardin. Fardin is B.
Jan-chan, Kochira wa Marilyn-san desu.
Hajimemashite. Watashi no Maririn desu.
はじめまして、J です。一緒に友達になりませんか？
いいですよ。よろしくお願いします。
こちらこそどうぞよろしくお願いします。
どちらから来ましたか？
フィリピンから来ました。フィリピンへ行ったことがありますか？
いいえ、まだです。
一緒にフィリピンへ行きませんか？
いいですね。いつですか？
いつがいいですか？
来年はいいですか？
いつでもいいですよ。
Okay, right? Okay, so this is only like an example of how your script, okay? I have earlier my batch 11. This is how they did it, okay? This is like how it works. So what will happen for our presentation on Sunday? On Sunday, again, we will have our Christmas party. So to let you know the details, let's watch this video. So that's it. So you will have our dress code. So for that one, for our red and green. So what will happen if you're gonna join with a presentation? You know that you have your groupings with you. So for those, if you will join the participation, for your next module, you will get +5 points. Okay, you will get +5 points if you will participate to the quiz. Okay, for that one. Okay, and I have some prizes that I will give to the best group. So I have some free classes, an exclusive free classes that you will obtain. Then what else? So we have our groupings for N5 and N4. So if you're N4, this group is not for you. Message me, then let me know so I can add you to the appropriate groupings. So like here, I have now some people are commenting here. So for example, with this one, you can make a group chat together with the 5 of you. Then, for example, I comment here G2 already. So if you're not part of our group chat, please join our group page instead. So G2. Okay, G2. So I'll count only 5 people. But this one is batch 11. So if you're not part of group, okay, please join here. Okay. Then batch 11, 3, 4, then 5. Okay, last member. Last member. Something like that. Okay. So after that, your groupings number, you create a group chat, then add me. Okay, you create a group chat, then add me. So tomorrow we will not have class. I want you to do a Zoom meeting together with your teammates. Then once we will have on Wednesday, we will have our practice. I want you to show to me your PowerPoint or with your script, something like that. Either will be in Notepad or whatever, it's so on. Let me show me your script so I can give some feedback and correction on it. Then you practice again. Then we will have our final practice on Friday. So you will have like several days for you to really practice with your script. Any question about that? In order for you to understand the lesson, you must study the verb conjugation here. This one. Okay, watch this video first in order for you to help you better understand the sentence. Okay, and after the class later on, I will send another video for a quick recap of the lesson again. Okay, any other questions? So again, for the N4 and N3 groups, you are not part of this group. So if you want to be
tatanong lang.
Okay, go ahead.
Sensei, pwede magtanong?
Okay, go ahead, Aldred.
Tatanong lang, yung po mga kasali po sa group, ano po yun? Mga N5 passer at saka N4 po? O doon lang po sa, sa lesson?
Okay, I will coordinate your groupings based on your level. So for example, if you didn't put any level here, I assume you're N5. But you're N4, N3, message me. You don't have to comment here. Don't comment here, okay? And I will add you instead to our groupings. Because the N4 and N3, they have groupings already here. Like for me, I have N4. My N4 is actually ready. I think they have a special number they will sing of summer.
Ano lang po, mag-PPM po sa inyo.
Yes, message. Please send me a message, okay? So N4 and N3, they have groupings as well, no? Like for me here, I have my groupings here. My N4 class, they are preparing a song already. They want to have a song because it's for them. They don't have to be in grammar. They are good in grammar already, so they want to sing. They want to sing instead. Okay, so it's up to you guys. Use your creativity. No, for the N4 message me. So in order for me to add it to appropriate group chat. No. Okay, so I have now for group 1 here. Very good. Okay, something like that one. I'll comment here. No, what are you going to prepare on? So for example, we have here Kevin G3, okay, G3, okay. Make a group now with your team, okay. G3, 2, 3, 4, and last member here. So decide who will create a group chat with you, okay. So this one, group 4, G4. So any question?
Hello po, hello. Hello, may question po ako.
Okay, go ahead.
Ang tanong kasi, bali ngayon lang ako nag-start. Saan ba ako bilong niyan?
You will start with the group, with the beginners. but there will be someone will guide you in group. Okay, so in order for you to start, you have to watch first the videos. You have to watch first the videos that we will send you once you add it in the group chat. Okay, you have to understand, you have to watch.
Isa-send nyo po sa akin yung video.
Go to our page here. Okay, go to the page. I will make a comment here. I will make a post here. I will send it today around 6 p.m. because I have to edit the video first.
Sige, pakisend na lang po sir sa ano.
No, join to this group, no? Join to this group. Okay, and I'll make a comment here. I'll make a comment here. Okay. Any other questions?
Wala na po.
Okay, good. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. Okay, go ahead.
Sensei.
Hi, Raven. Go ahead.
Newbie rin po ako. Ganon din po ba yung gagawin ko, Sensei?
Yes. I'll make a comment here first, okay? Then I'm gonna add you in the group chat, no? I will make sure one in your groups will be a tenure. Someone will guide you. So in your group, I will add some senpai there that will help you to help you in the group.
Sensei, ano pong i-comment ko?
No, I will make a comment here later on. No, this one. Just type here. I will join. Type here. I will join. Then I'll make a comment.
Okay po. Thank you, Sensei.
Type your comment here, no? Type that I will join, then I'll give your group number. I will comment you with your group number. Okay.
Sensei, how about po yung for entry class?
For?
Entry class po, meron.
Entry, message me. I will add it to the entry group chat as well.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Okay, who else?
Sensei, para lang po ba sa ano po to? Or lahat po na
Everyone.
level?
Lahat ng level to, yes. May mga groupies. Yes. But the one who will comment here, are only for N5 and beginners because I already have my group chat for N4 and N3.
So kasama po dyan yung parang bilang po dun sa mga module 2 na po?
Yes, yes. Lahat ng modules and beginners are welcome to join here.
Okay po, thank you po.
Okay, who else? No more?
Sensei,
Hi, go ahead.
what do we have to do in this presentation?
In the?
I mean, in this Christmas presentation, what do we have to do?
You will have a group presentation like a script or like what do you call a vid. You will have what do you call this one? It's actually more on like a recital. So you will have a recital with you, but you will have practice. Okay, I will send you a message in your group chat when will be your schedule of your practice with me. So you will have your group chat. So what I want you to do first, watch the video. Then after watching the video, coordinate with make a Zoom chat, Zoom meeting together with your classmates. Then discuss to them what kind of topic you want to discuss about. Okay?
Yeah.
Any other question?
No.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the class. Have a great day. See you in your practice. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye po. Thank you, Sensei.
Jamatane.
Matane.
Thank you, Sensei.
Bye-bye.
Arigato